A beautiful Islamic home, with sunlight streaming through the window. The mother is preparing breakfast while the daughter stands in front of a mirror, brushing her hair. The mother smiles and calls her daughter closer, offering a special gift, a beautiful silk hijab. The daughter looks at the hijab in awe, gently touching its fabric. She questions if she will look good in it. The mother explains that true beauty lies in inner purity and that the hijab is a light that makes one stand out in the love of Allah. The daughter wears the hijab for the first time, looking at herself in the mirror with happiness and contentment. She turns to her mother for approval, who joyfully tells her she looks like a light of modesty and that the hijab gives confidence and protects dignity. At school, the daughter sits with friends. Some admire her hijab, while others ask questions. She explains it's her choice, emphasizing that the hijab makes her a strong Muslim girl, recognized for her morals and knowledge, not appearance. Walking in the market with her mother, the daughter is mocked by another girl without a hijab. She responds gently, saying the hijab is a shield of honor, not a prison, and symbolizes her dignity, not needing to show beauty to the world. At night, under the moonlight, the mother and daughter have a spiritual conversation. The mother explains that hijab is a way of life, representing purity, modesty, and obedience to Allah. The daughter asks if Allah will be pleased, and the mother assures her of his blessings. The mother and daughter are seen praying in the mosque courtyard. The screen displays messages about hijab being a cloak of honor, a shield of faith, and a key to Jannah. They embrace lovingly, concluding the video with a spiritual message.